So for the functions, first of all, we have initializing functions. So we have some default values for the operators or for the calculators, and the total number equal to 0, and the current as empty, and new number set as true, and we have operator pending as a false, and operator equal to empty, and the quotient equal to false. And then we're gonna do the number pressing functions. We're gonna set the quotient as a false, and we're gonna get the number from the text box as a variable temp, and we're gonna get second number as a temp2. If the new number is true, then we're gonna pass out the value of temp2 to the as a current number, and the new number as a false. If it's not, if temp2 the second number is equal to a dot, we're gonna add the numbers with the previous number as a current number, and we're gonna display the current numbers. And we're gonna have some calculation total functions. The quotient as a true, and the current number as a floating number for the current numbers. And if operator pending as a true, we're gonna do the sum functions down below. If it's not, then the total number equal to the number we get from the text box. And the display function just display the value from the text box. The sum functions. So if the operator equal to adding, we're gonna do the adding functions. If it's to minus, equal to minus, then we're gonna do the minus functions. If the operator equal to times, we're gonna do the times functions. And the operator equal to dividing, we're gonna do the divide functions with the current number and pass out to as a total number. And we have the operation functions. If the operator pending as a true, we're gonna do the sum functions, back to the sum functions. If it's not, then the current number as a total number. And we set the new number as a true, and the operator pending is a true, and the equation as a false. And the cancel function is just if the current number is equal to 0, we're gonna display 0. If the user hit the cancel, and then we're gonna put the total number as a 0. And the sign functions, if the equation is equal to false, then we're gonna pass out the number from the text box, the floating number as a current number, and display the current number. So outside the class, we have the UI code, and this basically builds up the window of my buttons and the displays. And they're gonna set up positions of buttons and text fields. In this case, is used by the grid method. So there's a loop inside my code, so it basically builds up the positions automatically instead of setting one button at a time. So it saves a lot of time, and the down below is just setting up the buttons 0